totally get another flavor and aroma. And why shouldn't this be allowed in beer as well?
Okay, so where are we now?
I mean, this is our cellar where we actually do the Jacobsen vintage product. We have 3 different kinds of product. We have the vintage, we have limited edition, which is more the experimental brews, and then we have the normal standard Jacobsen, which go to the supermarket. This is where we do the vintage, and I mean, these mosaics down here is actually to honor our founder's son, which was really he really liked the motto of the monks of the Benedictines. So this one will be a heavy porter, about 9% alcohol. It's stored on new oak barrels, not used. This is totally new, so get the flavor of the oak and a bit of smoky flavor. And then, of course, there's a lot of things happening inside an oak barrel. Oxidation process, Maillard reactions, keeping on going all the time. So I'm tasting this beer almost once in a week to see how it develops.